Hey there folks! How's it going? If you're frustrated with washed out graphics in CS2 due to excessive high brightness, no worries. I've got a quick solution for you. First things first, let's get into developer mode console. Start by launching CS2 on your computer. After that, locate and click on the gear icon situated at the top left corner. Now switch over to the game tab. You'll see an option to enable developer console at the top. Click on the box beside it and choose yes to activate it. Perfect! Now your console is up and running. Now let's adjust the settings. Press the backtick key or the one below escape to bring up the console. Type in r_fullscreen_gamma_3 and hit enter, and there you go. The issue should be sorted out. And that's it. Your washed out graphics and brightness issues in CS2 on your PC should be history. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.